In this video, we're going to talk about appliances, specifically the microwave, range, dishwasher, refrigerator, and the washer and dryer. It's important to note that appliances can be different from home to home. Be sure to reference the manual for your appliance's specific make and model for the most complete instructions and warranty registration. Over time, the grease trap filters on the microwave will get dirty from the food and grease that splatter up from the range. To clean the filters, simply remove them and wash them with dish soap and water, or you can even run them through the dishwasher. To replace the filters, visit the manufacturer's website and search for grease trap filters for your specific make and model. To test the external venting on your microwave, hold a single piece of paper a few inches under the microwave while the fan is on. If the venting is working properly, it should hold the piece of paper up to the vents. If the venting is not working, you will need to have it serviced. Prior to using the oven for the first time, you'll want to remove any chemical residue. To do that, turn the oven on the highest heat and let the oven run for about 30 to 60 minutes or until the smell is gone. If we have provided a range, it has a 4-prong cord and the outlet is configured for a 4-prong cord. Appliances being transferred from homes built prior to 1996 may have a 3-prong cord. If you are bringing a range from an older home, be prepared to convert to a 4-prong cord. An anti-tip bracket is a safety device that prevents your oven from tipping forward when the door is open and more weight is on the front of the appliance. Freestanding ranges are equipped with an anti-tip bracket and should be installed in the back. Be sure to read your dishwasher manual to see the manufacturer's recommendations for detergent, rinse aids, and the arrangement of dishes. Most manufacturers will caution against pre-rinsing your dishes and recommend putting the dishes in dirty. Pre-rinsing inhibits the detergent from working the way it's designed to clean. Your dishwasher has an air gap to prevent contaminated drain water from backing up into the dishwasher. Be sure the holes of the air gap are facing the sink, so water will flow into the sink if the drain ever becomes clogged. Your dishwasher has a service disconnect switch under the sink. You will need to switch off the power to the dishwasher in order to service it. Under the sink, you will also find the shutoff valve for the water. To close the valve, turn it perpendicular to the pipe. To open the valve, turn it parallel to the pipe. Refrigerator. Prior to using the ice maker, you should flush any impurities from the water lines, or the ice may have an unpleasant plastic taste. To clean the water lines, fill the bin with ice from the ice maker and pour it out. Do this 2 or 3 times until the ice tastes fresh. If your refrigerator has a water dispenser, follow the manufacturer's schedule for replacing the filter. After changing the filter, be sure to dispense a gallon or 2 of water and pour it out. This will flush any residue from the filter. If you have a reverse osmosis system installed, you should remove the filter. The refrigerator will not have enough pressure to make ice or dispense water if the filter is installed. Anytime you move your refrigerator, be sure to put something under the wheels. A sheet of heavy plastic or plywood will work. This prevents the weight of the refrigerator from damaging your floors as you roll it out. This is especially important for homes with wood floors. When we install a washing machine, we recommend a braided stainless steel hose. The rubber hoses that are included with the washer are not meant for machines that are kept in the home. Over time, rubber hoses get dry and brittle and may break. While the stainless steel hose is a little more expensive, if it prevents flooding in your home, it is money well spent. Your washing machine has a drainage hose and hot and cold water shutoff valves. To close the valve, turn it perpendicular to the pipe. To open the valve, turn it parallel to the pipe. If your washing machine is on a second floor, there will be an overflow pan underneath it to collect water in the event of a leak. The overflow pan is connected to a drain that needs water in the trap to prevent sewer gas from entering the laundry room. Since this drain is rarely used, the water will evaporate over time. Occasionally pour a quart of water in the pan to fill the trap. Dryer. If we have provided a dryer, it has a 4-prong cord and the outlet is configured for a 4-prong cord. Appliances being transferred from homes built prior to 1996 may have a 3-prong cord. If you are bringing a dryer from an older home, be prepared to convert to a 4-prong cord. Your dryer is connected to an exhaust that goes outside through a dryer vent duct. You want to make sure that the duct you have is semi-rigid metal. It will not collapse and will allow better airflow, and its smooth interior will prevent lint buildup. It's important to clean your dryer vent at least once a year to help prevent a fire and keep your dryer running efficiently. You can do this yourself, or you can hire someone. To reduce the amount of lint going through the duct, be sure to clean the lint trap between loads of laundry. Here is where the dryer is venting on the outside of the home. An animal screen should never be placed over dryer vents because lint could build up and become a fire hazard.